back to my channel. Thank you for being here today. So for today's video, I want to do a set with December's Made by Me box. These are the plates here. Not a set, I want to play around with the plates. So we have MXM 141, very pretty. And then we have MXM 142. I love this plate, so pretty. Okay, so here I have a white, a clear with this one, and then a white base with this topper, and then I have, which is pearl prism, very pretty, and then the blue beam, and then I just have a black. So I just wanted to play around and use these because I didn't do it in my last video. This one. This is the white base with the pearl prism on top. And I did this earlier, this image, with that. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. So I want to do it again. I love their black too. Their polish, it's so opaque. And I'm going to use my monocle. I've been really liking this. The image picked up really nice. I probably should have used the sticky base, but that's okay. Because I did this earlier. Bit of polish and paint it. I love that. I think that's so freaking pretty. Ugh, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. And I'm gonna clean off my plate. And then do this one. And then cover, yeah, let's do that. Do the blue. I'm using nectar. And I want to stamp with the blue polish. I'm going to put it on this one. Perfection. Should I color in the white? Trickster here. That's cool. I don't want that dry. Okay, so to the blue, I've already applied my sticky base. I'm gonna put this right down the middle if I can. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. I wish I would have did it in white. Why was it think black? You can't even like that. It's, I don't know. Let's just see what this looks like, eh? cute. My lines are crooked, but that's okay. I think with this you could color that in and that would be cute too. Maybe not. I don't know, I wish I would have did that in white, but that's okay, that's cute. Pop this on there. I love that little, that there are two colors on there. That's cute. That is so cute. I don't know how much room it got, but maybe we can do both of these. That'd be cute. Cute. Let's see how much of this we can. That's cute. Put this right in. Oh my gosh. Just makeshift that. That's cute. That is so cute. That's my favorite one. That is cute. Alright, let's do some on the white this time. Pearl, I want to stamp with it so y'all can see. Okay, so the last two, I'm going to do one of these on the top in the pearl prism. Oops. And then one on the bottom with the blue bean. I really like the monocle stampers too. I think they're really pretty. And for me, it's, oh man, that came out really good. I can see really well with it. I can't stand it. Alright. And now let's do it in the blue bean. Oh. And we'll just do it this way, just so we can see. Looks good in the blue. I don't know, I really like it though. Okay. Oh, I think I like that one too. That's pretty. Alright. This is going on black. Oh man, that is so pretty. I kinda wanna do all black nails. I would have to do press on so for that, because that's what happened with these. The blue stained my skin so much that I couldn't even finish the set. It was bugging me. Okay, and down here. I'm gonna do up a little bit so I can. Oh my gosh. I just, you cannot see it, I know. But I just love that. I just really like it. So that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm just gonna add a gel top coat. It comes off real purple on the black and more blue on the white. It's so pretty, you guys. But yes, I'm sorry it's late. I won't do it again. Next time, the mini mat, it's small, but I did order the big one, so I do have another big haul because I have like 3 orders in that, and then I wanted to show everybody what I got in my giveaway when I won a giveaway, and I wanted to show what I got in that. So yes, so I do like these polishes. I don't really know, unless I paint my whole nail with this, stamping, it doesn't stamp well. So if I did something like this, then yes, or like painted the whole nail with it, but I probably wouldn't stamp with it because it doesn't stamp good on either. And this is just a beautiful color. I'll show a picture or a clip or whatever, but I really like this blue. And I'm not sure if this is exclusive or this will be available soon, but I know they have the big one because I just ordered it. And then here's the plates. These, unfortunately, you won't be able to get because they are exclusive to the box. So, but yes, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.